Hey, how's it going? This is Michael Cruz from succeedwithmichael.com, and in today's video, in today's topic, I want to talk to you about 3 effective skills to earn money online from home. So stay tuned. Okay, so if you've been wondering how do people earn money online, it's actually through knowing these 3 effective skills that I'm going to share with you right now. Okay, so let me get right into it. So the first skill you need to effectively earn money online from the comfort of your home, right, is pretty much building landing pages. If you ever know of anybody that's searching for solutions on the internet, you know that they're going to land on a page, right? This is how actually people that are highly successful, people that are earning 6 to 7, 8, 9, figures on the internet, this is how they're doing it. They actually know how to build landing pages, and once they learn how to do this, they outsource it to other people, but at least they have a basic understanding of how to build, effective landing pages that really offers value, right? And what I mean, the landing page I'm talking about is a landing page that actually asks for the person's, name or email or both, right? And so if you know how to build landing pages, you're really gonna help. You're really gonna have a lot of success in earning money online. Um, Another thing is that there are a lot of people out there looking for people that know how to do this task. That way they can, they're paying these individuals to really take care of this task, right? So how would you like to be hired by a company or an individual that that just wants to outsource, this task of building landing pages that really converts, landing pages that are, that are really targeting their audience, right? So, give you an example: if somebody's searching for a way to train a dog, and you have a landing page that says, "Here's your 3 tips to training your, your Labrador or whatever dog you can think of," and this person finds that landing page, what you know what they're going to do, right? They're going to actually access that information because that's exactly what they're looking for. Okay, so this is how you get this is how you actually get successful online, is knowing how to build good effective landing pages. All right, and the second skill to really earning money online from the comfort of your home is pretty much um, navigating an autoresponder, right? And in case you're wondering what an autoresponder is, it's pretty much software that collects emails that allows you to follow up with, with an audience. Like you can really follow up. Let's say you have 1,000 people in your autoresponder, right? You can actually send one email to 1,000 people at a time and truly communicate with this audience, right? This is what an autoresponder does. It just helps you, helps you facilitate the ability to reach out to a bigger audience with just one email, right? And another thing that an autoresponder does is actually it allows you to follow up with people in an automated way. I call this an autopilot. And what I mean by that is that, let's say you're sleeping, right, and you have a sequence of emails that goes out automatically. It doesn't matter where you're on vacation, doesn't matter if you're sleeping. These individuals are going to receive emails coming from you because you already set up pre-written messages in your autoresponder, and you telling the autoresponder, when to send this message, if you want to, send at a specific time, if you want to probably send it just in this, specific day, etc. But knowing how to navigate an autoresponder is going to be a skill that's going to help you succeed in the long term as well. Okay. Number 3, the third skill that you're going to need to learn in order to earn money online is pretty much driving traffic, right? And I'm not talking about traffic like in the highway or anything like that. I'm talking about traffic on the internet, and those are pretty much eyeballs. People are looking for solutions to the problems on the internet. If you notice, Google, has a lot of users that look in there for solutions to the problems. So your job as an entrepreneur, as somebody that is achieving success online, is pretty much to get some of that traffic into your solution. People that are searching for, let's say, if you pick a niche and your niche is pretty much weight loss, then people that are searching for weight loss, they got to find, you know, you have to find a way to get on Google so that people can find you on Google, right? The same thing on YouTube, the same thing on Facebook. If you notice people on Facebook, if you notice somebody said, you know, somebody sponsor an ad, that means that, you know, when you see that in your timeline, that means that you actually are in the category of what that person or what the person is interested in, right? So if you're interested in cats and you see a post on your timeline that says, you know, here are some, you know, cute cats, or buy cats today, etc., that means that because you're interested in cats, you know, you're going to see posts about cats. The same thing if you were interested in learning how to market on the internet, you're going to see posts about internet marketing, you know, etc. The same thing goes with personal development. If you're into personal development, that means that you fall into this category. Hope that makes sense. So driving traffic is a number one skill, because you can have good landing pages, you can know how to do that. You can have you can know how to navigate an autoresponder, but if you're not driving traffic, you know, you don't have anything, right? Traffic is like the life of your business, and it's what's going to help you earn money online. Because when people are looking for solutions and you're actually showing them the solution they're looking for, guess what? They're gonna want to learn more about it, and then, you know, through follow up, they're gonna see exactly what is it that you're offering, and if they believe that it's gonna solve their problem, you know, they're gonna purchase whatever it is that you're offering. Okay, so those are the 3 effective skills you need, and this is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and minimize this very quick. So traffic, then you capture leads, and then you make sales. That's a simple formula to making money online. Okay, so somebody's looking for something, then you have a landing page, which is a capture page. They have another name for it, is opt-in page, and pretty much what it does is ask for the person's name, you know, or email, or both, and in exchange of the information that they're looking for. This could be like this could be a free video, this could be uh, a free ebook, a download, you know, whatever it is that you're offering. This is actually the simple formula to earning money online from the comfort of your home. And I say home, but your home could be anywhere. It could be at the beach, it could be at a resort, it could be in, at work, whatever, wherever you want it to be, because it's on the internet and all you need is a laptop and really a vehicle to get there. Now, if you don't know any of these skills, you're new to this, and you would like to, to earn income online while you're learning, I have a link for you below this video. So go ahead and click that link below and access that free training. It's going to show you how to earn money online, from the comfort of your home. And you can get started if you feel that it's a good fit for you. But go ahead and learn about it, access that free training, enter your details, and we'll see you on the inside. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, you got value from it, and we'll see you next time.